I didn't know that we changed time zones.
Oh, we changed time zones?
Apparently.
Right. Just like 1 minute.
I just want to put on some mascara and then we can pretend that this is all happening again. Now it says 5. Now I know what time it is.
Hello, guys. Come on in. So this is our room. We have these lovely wardrobes. This is our little, like, everyone uses this area. And then we have our lovely bunk beds. And then, like, if Meg doesn't want to see me, we just do this. And then it's like you have your own room. And I have the same thing up here. Just close it off. We'll have a really busy week, so I'm not doing any training today. I'm just relaxing and watching movies and doing my nails. They're very pretty. Things like that. Here's our bathroom. It's small. It's fine. Just bring this across and you have a shower. It's perfect. And that is our little apartment room. Our room. Well, bye now. We want to finish the movie, so there's no room for you guys in here.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a great day.